You can literally turn any image or element into a frame. Let's go over to Canva to see how it's done. So here on Canva, we're going to be picking a custom design. We're going to be picking 1080 by 1080 pixel. Let's go over to Element and search for a picture we want to use. So we'll be using a leaf to turn that into a frame. So let's pick this leaf and let's flip the leaf vertically. Once we've done that, we'll go over to edit photos and edit this image to be black in color. We will go over to dual tone to edit this image to be black, and we'll be picking the mono dual tone. We will change the colors of this mono dual tone into black. After this, we will export our file as PNG, though the file type we want to use is the SVG file type, but Canva's SVG file type for some reason does not work on PowerPoint. But I will show you what it looked like when I used it. We'll quickly go over to this website, Convertio, to convert our file into an SVG file. You can find the SVG either under vector or image, either of those. And once you're done converting, we'll be going over to PowerPoint to start making our image to become a frame. Let's open PowerPoint and select a blank page. We will delete these text boxes and input our image. Let's go over to the Insert tab and go over to Picture to insert our SVG file we downloaded. So the SVG file will have a Microsoft Edge kind of sign, or you could just hover your mouse to see what file type it is if you don't remember what you named the file with. We'll go over to the top left and click on Convert to Shape and convert this image into a shape. Then we'll go over to Shape Fill. I'm hovering my mouse around it and click the drop down and pick a picture we want to fill into this shape. We'll pick a random picture from our computer and insert it into this image. Now let's go over to File at the top left of our screen and save this image as a PDF. We'll click on Save As and save to the computer. Remember to change the PowerPoint to PDF after naming your file. Let's go back to Canva to upload our PDF we downloaded. We'll go over to Upload and click on Upload File to upload our PDF. Mind you, once you upload your PDF, it's going to appear on the Project tab for you to see the PDF you've uploaded. Let's go over to the Project tab to insert the PDF we uploaded. And let's spread it out to fill our screen. We will position it to the middle and we'll tap the image and click on Delete. We will delete only the image, not the frame, and we are left with the frame. Let's go over to our video to insert a video into this frame. Let's pick this random video and insert it into the frame. You see that? Isn't it beautiful? We can also insert an image also into the frame. Let's pick this image and insert it. We will double tap and position the image how we want it to be. Quickly, let me show you what it looked like when I downloaded an SVG file from Canva and tried to put that into PowerPoint. This is what it looked like when we inserted our SVG file we downloaded from Canva and we clicked on Convert to Shape. It was looking all black, which is crazy. For a Canva Pro user, I should be able to use my account to download an SVG file and use it in other softwares I want to. Like this video if you got value from it and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and do have a good one.